I'm Bre Pettis, CEO of MakerBot. 3D printing has been around for a while. It's about 25 years old, but until we came along, all the machines were mainframe-sized machines, like refrigerator-sized machines. And we wanted one, but we couldn't afford one. We started tinkering, and when we got it to work, we quit our jobs and started MakerBot. The people who get MakerBots today are pioneering that frontier. The medical industry, the automotive industry, space exploration, all this stuff gets better when you add in additive manufacturing, when you add in MakerBots, because it means that you can have ideas, make them faster, and the material is really affordable. So you can afford to try things out many, many times until you get to the place where you're really happy. Instead of going to the factory to make things, you've got the factory on your desktop, and you can change the world right there. The medical frontier is an exciting place to have a MakerBot. We've got two guys who are working across the world, and together they're pioneering the world of 3D printed prosthetics. They've got a boy who was born without a hand, and normally with prosthetics they don't make them for children because they're growing too fast and they're too expensive. It costs next to nothing for this kid to have a hand, and when he gets a little bit bigger, no problem. They'll just MakerBot another one. When you think about things like that, it really blows your mind and makes you think about, okay, if that's possible, what else is possible? What other industries are going to be affected? How are people going to be able to use a MakerBot to change the world and make it a better place? There's a huge range of things you can make on your MakerBot. We have a site called Thingiverse.com, and at Thingiverse.com you can find the best downloadable digital designs that you can make. And every day there's like 60 or 100 new things that you can make. So there's just this huge library of amazing projects that you can make when you have a MakerBot, and all you have to do is download them and make them on your machine. In the beginning, I was excited when we put up our first 20 MakerBots for sale, and we expected that these 20 we were going to sell over months, and instead we sold them in days. I was surprised at the beginning, and now it's got a momentum of its own. Our biggest customer is NASA, so we've come a long way. But we still have that same spirit, the spirit of we do our best, we try our best, we share as much as we can. There's this really great spirit working at MakerBot where we're doing it for the benefit of creativity in the world. And that's what the next industrial revolution is all about.